Hi, this is Gautam. Today I am going to experiment an Unix lab experiment, that is interprocess communication using shared memory. Here we have to write a C++ program to demonstrate the interprocess communication between two processes using shared memory. So here the two processes, process 1 and process 2. First, in the process 1 we have to create the shared memory and write some string into the shared memory and wait the other process to read and modify the shared memory. And here the second process, we have the shared memory created by person must read the string and display actual string and reverse the string. So here I have created a process program. Here I have included all the header files here, and next I have created a key variable, and while entering the key, here shared memory ID equal to shared memory get. These are the these are the product functions which have been uh, conditions have been at 100 and IPC, and to create here the pipe is for 0764, and if shared memory ID is less than 0, then the shared memory is not created, else the shared memory is created. Character virtual address I have given. So in the virtual address you will get the memory address timetable and shared memory at 00, and character string and string equal to virtual address, and see out the string. So the string will be what are the virtual address which have been given will be present here, and enter the string. When the string is entered, I have given sleep 15, so the time will be elapsed at 15 minutes, and see out receive the string from the process B. So while we entering the uh, string will be received from the process B, and now I am going to show the output and compiling. So yeah, I am entering the key 8988, and the shared memory has been created. Now I am going to enter the string, and the string is I am entering welcome, and now I am going to wait for receive from the process B, and till process B here I am waiting for process B. Yeah, we have received the string from the process B, and string is also welcome. And now we are going to check the second question, that is to get the shared memory address created by process 1 and read the string, display the actual string and reverse the string, and modify the content of the shared memory. So here the header files I have given here, and in same as the key I have given shared memory ID. I am giving the functions here, and if same and virtual address characters same which have been given before, and here the receipt string. So here we will get the receipt string which have been sent from the A, and the character ARR. Here ARR will present array will present this string and string str, so it will get the value, and see out the string will be present here on the output string. Next, if l equal to string dot size, so string dot size will be present inside the l int I equal to l minus 1. So then I less than or equal to 0, I minus minus, so until the I is greater than 0, and it will be present, and I will be minus minus. So here first only it will be decremented, and string is equal to string plus a string l 5 and string copy. So we will copy from string dot str to str, and cout. So the modified string will be present here in the string only. Now I am going to show the output. Here compiling the process B and output. So now we are entering the same key which I have been entered in process A. So we are entering the same key. So state memory has been created. Receive the string and modifier is welcome. So here the modified string will be MEOCLAW. So reverse of the string. And this is my 10th experiment.